Yo, what's up everyone? It's Mark with M2M Detail, and today we're going to be doing a quick video with 3D speed, and we got the Rupes LK900E right here, and we have the Rupes Yellow Pad 5-inch. So, if you guys don't know about the Rupes LK900E, it is a forced rotation, and it's oscillating too. So it has a 5mm throw and forced rotation like a rotary. Very good tool, very strong. I'm gonna show you guys some defects on this paint, and we're just doing a quick detail, so we're not doing paint correction or anything, so we're just doing one step. This side's already done, this side isn't, so I'm gonna let you guys see with the scan grip light so you can see the difference, and then also we're gonna do one little section and show you how it works. But before there, guys, we got some products coming out again. We added about 5 new chemicals. We got a quick detail right here. This is our pH neutral soap. We got a little station right here, you guys, all our bottles. But yeah, let's go take a walk. And if you guys don't know, I've been telling you guys the eBay store, if you guys need any pre-cuts, this is one we just did today. It's a Model Y, we did the front bumper. We also got to cut out some headlights right now. Order just came in. So if you guys need some pre-cuts PPF, hit me up. We'll get those shipped out to you. We got shirts, hats, stickers, and here's our product lineup. So you got surface prep, interior detail, ceramic spray, SiO2, all-purpose, leather conditioner, tire shine, decontamination soap. You got ceramic soap. This is our pH neutral soap. This is our old one, so it's a different scent. Our new one's gonna be green. So you can see we're pretty much out of bottles. So we just got the bottles in yesterday. Instant detailer. This is our glass cleaner, all gone, but we have more we got to package up. Wheel cleaner, we got a new chemical for wheel cleaner also. So it's a different color, same product, just a different scent. Kind of our full lineup almost, missing a couple bottles. The clay bar lube, guys, that is some serious stuff. Super lubricated, makes the clay bar slide across the surface super easily. Really good stuff. This is our quick detail, which we just package up, and we got some spray wax up there. All right, guys, so let's get into the video. Just want to walk you guys through that. There's our shipping stuff, and let's get into it. So this is a black Ford Escape. We got super hard water spots on this side. Let me get the light so you guys can see everything. As always, scan grip, good light, guys. So let's get the light over here, get you guys zoomed in so you can see all the marks on here. Let me try to get you closer. You see all these water spots. The car has already been clay barred, but you can see all these heavy duty water spots up in the crevices. So big contamination on here. So get you guys closer. You can see all these things in here. I don't know if the light's helping you guys, but if you can see it, ooh, you guys might be pointing too far down. So there we go. So you can see all that. Most of it's already gone over here, guys. This is just a quick 2-pass right here with the HD speed on the Rupes. This side looks a lot better too. See how you can see the light, and then you just see like a blur because there's so much contaminations over here. So let's get to it. First things first, let's blow this pad out because it's looking a little caked up. Just like that. Nothing too crazy, just a nice little cleanup. We got 1, 2, 4, just smear. So 4 dots, nothing crazy. Put the cord over your shoulder, you know, don't rest it on the paint, guys. And we're gonna be on speed 4, and we're just gonna start going. We're gonna do from, we'll start right here down, so. Get that front edge nice and clean right there. All right, guys, so that was just the HD Speed with the Rupes LK900E, and that's pretty much it. So we did 2 really slow passes. We did not put more than 3 pounds of pressure. Being a forced rotation polisher, we really don't need to put that pressure in there. So let's see how this looks, guys. And once again, guys, we're not going for perfection on this. This is not a paint correction. This is pretty much just a paint enhancement, and we're just gonna clean it up. So looks a lot better. Hopefully you guys can see that. You can kind of see where we stopped. All the cloudiness right there. Nice and clear over here. Cloudy. You can see the buildup. See, we're gonna have to get in this edge a little bit better. Only right here up, but let me get my light. Let you guys see one more time. So you can see how much better that looks. And you can see all that, guys, hopefully. You can see all that water spots and the cloudiness, all the stuff on the top layer. Then down here, looking good. Nice and clean. All right, guys, so just a quick little video for you guys. I'm gonna try to post these out maybe on like every Wednesday, just do a quick video while I'm working on a vehicle. And just so you guys have some more content to watch. You guys know I always release videos every Friday at 6 a.m. And pretty soon, you guys will probably be the first one to know we're gonna be doing a promotion on the products where you're gonna buy one, get the second one half off. The first one will come with a sprayer, just like this. And then your half off bottle will come with no sprayer. So once you're done with your first one, just move the sprayer over and you'll be good to go. So stay tuned. That'll be launching probably next week, but I appreciate you guys watching. And as always, guys, I appreciate you watching and I hope everyone's doing good, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Mark out.